Today we're going to learn about the book report feature. This is a great activity for your readers once they've finished with a book. So for any book on the site, you can start by clicking on it. And I'm interested in Frank and Bean, Food Truck Fiasco. So here, on the left-hand side, right at the bottom of the options, you will see the book report button, and we'll click that. From here, your readers can choose which grade group they're in. For this demonstration, I'll select grades 4 and up. The reader can enter the title of the book, and then press the next arrow. They can put in the name of the author, and then next again. And from here, they can write answers to some questions about the book. And once they're finished, they can press print, and then either save the book report as a PDF, which they can then email to you, or they can send it right to a printer. As for the K-3 option, it is the exact same system, but the questions are a little bit simpler. Happy tumbling!